US has reached a new vaccination record of more than 4 million doses. That's an extraordinary effort in just 24 hours. But there are still concerns that a fourth wave is coming.
That's exactly right. The situation here in America is that we're facing two surges and a possible wave. Okay, so here in America, we've had 30 million COVID cases and 554,000 deaths. But we've also had a massive surge in vaccines. As you say, last Friday, America vaccinated 4 million people in 24 hours alone. So they're averaging about 3 million vaccinations every day. So 165 million doses have gone out. 18% of the population are already fully vaccinated. That's 61 million people. There's still 32%, like myself, who've had one shot. That's about 106 million people. So the vaccinations are happening apace. It's incredible. However, we're also facing a surge in COVID. Cases are back over 60,000 a day. That's up 19% over the past 2 weeks, and the numbers are rising in 24 states. I mean, just today alone, it's still Easter Sunday, we've already had 32,000 new cases and 213 deaths. So the question is this a fourth wave? Are we on the verge of a fourth wave, or are we already in it? The experts are divided, and it's being fueled by the UK variant that's spreading throughout America. So much so that the new director of the Centre for Disease Control said that while there's so much reason to have hope and there's so much potential ahead, she says, right now I'm scared. And she says, I have a recurring sense of impending doom. So that's why you see President Biden in his Easter address urging people to get vaccinated. And President Biden has also been telling America's 50 state governors to restore mask mandates if they've dropped them. We're so close to the finish line, yet we could be on the edge of a fourth wave.
Yeah, so close, yet so far, Michael. And like other parts of the world, the US is also looking at this idea of a vaccine passport. Could that be on the cards soon?
Well, that's already emerging in a way. I mean, officially, the White House has said, for a number of reasons, that the federal government is not going to issue a vaccine passport. They're going to leave that to the private sector, where the airlines are going to demand proof of vaccine, or employers, or if you want to go see a concert, you have to prove that you've been vaccinated. That's going to be up to private enterprise. But with the government not doing it, what we have right now is when you get your first shot, you get a tiny little card. When you get your second shot, the second line is filled in. And I can tell you now, a lot of people are laminating those cards. And to an effect, they're our de facto vaccine passports.